Unplugging from the noise, understanding, kill the television. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: kill the television. This expression is more than just about turning off your TV. So, let's explore its deeper meaning and why it's significant in English language learning. Stay tuned to unravel this intriguing phrase with us. First things first, let's break down the literal meaning of kill the television. At face value, it might sound like someone is suggesting to physically destroy a TV. However, in English, kill can also mean to stop or end something. Therefore, the direct interpretation is simply to turn off the television or stop watching it. But why would this phrase be used instead of just saying, turn off the TV? Let's find out. Moving beyond the literal, kill the television often carries a figurative meaning. It's not just about pressing the power button. It's a call to action against the passive consumption of content. This phrase can be seen as a critique of spending too much time in front of the television. Letting it kill your time, creativity, or even your desire to engage in more active or intellectually stimulating activities. It's a powerful reminder to be more mindful of how we spend our leisure time. Understanding the cultural context is crucial. The phrase, kill the television, emerged in a time when television dominated the landscape of media consumption. It reflects concerns about the impact of too much TV watching on individuals and society, ranging from diminishing attention spans to less time spent on physical activities or reading. It's a part of broader discussions about media consumption, mental health, and personal development. How do people use this phrase today, and what are its implications? While the phrase might not be everyday vernacular, it's used in contexts emphasizing the importance of breaking free from media's hold on our lives. It's a call to prioritize active engagement over passive consumption, whether that means pursuing hobbies, spending time in nature, or simply engaging in more face-to-face interactions with others. The phrase encourages a critical look at how media, especially television, influences our lives and choices. In wrapping up, kill the television is more than just a quirky way of saying, turn off the TV. It's a phrase rich with implications about media consumption, personal time management, and the choices we make about our leisure activities. We hope this exploration has shed light on the deeper meanings behind this phrase and inspires you to think more critically about your own media habits. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.